Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here. And before I get into the content and about your bonus bundle, after you watch the entirety of this video, I'm going to try to keep it short. It's going to be about a 10-minute video, but I'm going to go ahead and keep this really short, okay? Watch all the way to the end of the bonus bundle or view this page about your bonus bundle, whatever you got time to do if you're a busy person. Anyhow, um, there will be a button after you watch this demonstration from my good friend Luan Henrique, I believe his name is. I do apologize if I drop his name up. Um, so yeah, let me go ahead and get into it and show you how to use the WP Secure.
Hey guys, it's your friend Luan here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and use WP Secure. Okay, so all you need to do is go to plugins here, add new, and then basically probably you already downloaded the WP Secure in your computer. Then all you need to do is upload the plugin into your WordPress site. Okay, so all you need to do is go to plugins in your website, add new, upload the plugin, choose the file WP Secure, and click install now, and it will install the plugin into your website, and all you need to do is activate. Okay, so the plugin is activated now. Okay, so WP Secure is here. The plugin is very self-explanatory, so as you can see here, you can change the WP login URL, so it will change the login URL for you, so you won't be able to log in via WP login.php then. Okay, that this is the default WordPress login page. Uh, you can hide the fact that you use WordPress, so you can hide the WP admin. Okay, WP admin, it's the default like that we always log in into our websites, right? So it's yoursite.com/WP admin. That's the login page. Okay, you can hide that login page if you want by using this feature here, hide the admin or full hide. Okay, you will be able to hide the fact that you use WordPress as well, so no one will see that you use WordPress and all that stuff. So basically the hide feature does that. Okay, so here on WP login URL, it will prevent users from accessing the /WP login.php. And here when you hide the WP admin, no one will be able to access your site.com/WP admin. Okay, it will show that the page is not found or something like that if you select to hide this. Okay, so important to say here that if you like, let's say you hide here but you leave this as blank, you will still be able to log in via the WP login.php. Okay, but you won't be able to log in via the WP admin name because it's hide. Okay, now if you change the login URL here and you hide the WP admin, no one will be able to log in via the /WP admin of your site, and no one will be able to log in via the WP login.php link of your site as well. Okay, so if you set a new login URL here and you hide the WP admin, you will always need to log in into your website via the new login URL that you choose it here, right? So basically this is very self-explanatory. I'm gonna show you in action in a second here, okay? Then brute force attack protection, it will protect you from brute force attacks. So if someone tries to log into your website and let's say they use the incorrect password for 3 times, they will get locked for a period of time, like 50 minutes. So they won't be able to brute force attack your WordPress site. And then two-factor authentication, you can leave this as blank, or you can add a PIN code. And if you add a PIN code, what this will do is it will add a PIN code section into your login page. Okay, so beyond using the username and the password, you're gonna need to put the right PIN code here in order to log in. Okay, so basically that's what it does. So here's my default setup that I recommend you to use. So I go to WP Secure here. New login URL, I recommend you to use yoursite.com/login. Okay. Then here on hide, I recommend you to click hide WP admin. Okay, so that's my recommendation. Okay, but don't you worry. Okay, if you want to use the other features like full hide, hide other files, they're gonna you can do that. Go ahead and do that. But remember, when you do the hiding thing here, you won't be able to access your login page via the WP admin link. Okay, so your default your site.com/WP admin will not work anymore when you hide the WP admin or use any of the hide features. Okay, so be careful about that. Okay, same thing on change WP login URL. If you use a new URL here, you will be able to log in only via the new URL that you set here. Okay, so you want to be able to log in from the wplogin.php, and you won't be able to log in via WP admin. You will be able only to log in via the new URL that you set here then. Okay, now let's say you click hide WP admin here, you select it, and you leave the new login URL blank. You won't be able to access via your site via WP admin, but you will be able to access via wplogin.php if you want. Okay, now if you set a new URL here, you will only be able to log in into your website via this new URL. Okay, so that's very important. So I selected here login. Okay, that's my new login URL. Then I will hide the WP admin. That's what I recommend you to do it. But if you want to use the other features, you can do as well. Go ahead and do it if you want. Then brute force attack protection, leave it as it is. Okay, these default settings here are good. And then I recommend you to use a PIN code. Okay, so beyond using your username and password into your website, I recommend you use a PIN code. And what this is gonna do, it's we add a PIN code section here on your login page. So
interesting.
You need to add in your username, password, and the PIN code that you added here on the WP Secret. In this case, we use 1234. Okay, so that's my default setup that I recommend you to use. So
Obviously, don't put 1234, guys.
uh, my website.com/login, then hide WP admin only, brute force attack
I like the brute force attack feature. That's interesting.
protection. Okay, and my PIN code
Pin code too. The brute force and the pin code. I like it.
1234 here. You can use any PIN code that you want. Then all you need to do is click save. Option saved it successfully, and good. You are good to go then. Okay, you are good. You are safe. WP Secure is securing your website. So let's try right now this and see if everything is fine. So first thing I'm gonna do, I go to my website here, and I will try to log in via WP admin. So my website.com/WP admin. And as you can see, page not found. Okay, so let me try to log in via wplogin.php. Page not found as well. Okay, WP Secure is working. So I will add, now I will insert the login URL that I choose it on WP Secure. So it's /login. So let's try this. My website /login. And then now I'm on my login page, right? Awesome, that's working fine. Then let's see if the brute force attack protection is working. So I will put the wrong username and wrong password to see if the brute force attack is working. So okay, as you can see, 2 attempts left. So the brute force attack protection is working fine as well. Now let's see if my PIN code is working fine. So I will add my username here, my password, and then I'm gonna add the PIN code that I choose it on the WP Secret. Okay, so the PIN code is 1234 that I selected. Let's see if it will log in fine. Login. Okay, I'm logged in.
Cool.
PIN code is working as well. Okay, so everything is working on the site. Everything is good. And if I put my right username, right password, but the wrong PIN code, as you can see, I can't log in then. So I'm working with WP Secret. That's the default settings that they recommend you to use. That's how the plugin works, basically.
Now, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Probably added 10 minutes of unnecessary time. But anyhow, if you did watch this far, uh, do like the video. Helps the channel grow tremendously. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't want to talk about the bonus I have for you guys, okay? Whether you have WordPress or not, I'm sure some of you guys have WordPress or some of you guys don't have WordPress. Just, I have a bonus for all of you. All right. First bonus being, before I even check, let me see if anybody's talking to me. Someone is talking to me. I want to show you what this bonus is about. All right. When you click that button below and you purchase through the affiliate link, my affiliate link. I do a lot of YouTube, guys. It's not just Facebook. It's not just Facebook. I do a lot of YouTube, okay? And I want to show you what the bonus talks about. Okay? This is what we got going on. This is it's a numbers game, guys. Just like when you run your books business, it's a numbers game. It's volume, 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 volume. Obviously, your bonus is going to talk about how I do the SEO, how I approach my SEO, what thumbnail tools do I use, okay? What thumbnail tools I use, okay? And that's what's going on. This is the YouTube channel. Some traffic rotates over other traffic. So that's that bonus, okay? The second bonus that I want to talk to you about, guys, it's probably going to be on this page, okay? Because this video I had to pop out on the fly and get this content to you guys. Your second bonus will be once you get your Facebook groups created. I dropped knowledge on how to do that, guys. I dropped y'all simple knowledge to get your first Facebook groups created. Send me your Facebook group link so I can put it in the rotator. Okay, guys? That's your second bonus. Your third bonus for the people that didn't pick up the software bot. For a limited time, I am allowing free access to that software toolbot for Facebook. It's normally $17 a month. Okay, guys? It's normally $17 a month. You get free access to that. That's part of the bonus. That's just bonus number 3. You're already in the Facebook groups. I already told myself that I'm gonna have to start get active in there. I'm very active in my emails. Y'all know this already. So all I'm getting at is go ahead and pick up WP Secure through my affiliate link, guys, so you can get these bonuses. All right, so you can get these bonuses. Now the video, this I'm about to shoot out probably with a pretty basic page, but there will be a few more emails coming out your way on the bonuses because there's more bonuses I'm adding to the bonuses for you guys because I want you guys to win. I want you guys to win. Seriously, if you don't have your YouTube going in numbers, if you don't have your Facebook going in numbers, if you're not building relationships in numbers, if you're not doing what Russell Brunson talks about, it's called the Dream 100 concept. The Dream 100 concept. And it applies to multiple things in life, guys. So, that being said, click the link, look at the page, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the members area so you can pick up those bonuses. You guys be blessed.